G'day fellow moto vloggers, Van and Nev on Samoki, the Suzuki Bandit on this Wednesday afternoon. Quite a nice day. Not hot, not cold, pretty nice, not real windy either for this time of year. Well, as you probably already know, they've elected Trump in again. It looks like he's going to win. Personally, I feel gutted, but I'm just going to have to live with it, and we'll just see what the next 4 years brings, not only for America but for Australia as well, because what he reckons he's going to do, well, it's no good carrying on about it. He's won, that's all there is to it. I'm bitterly disappointed because I think he's a real threat to the whole world, well, as we'll see in the next 4 years what he'll do, not only to America but the flow-on effect to this country. But at this point in time, all as I can say, he's not my president. To me, he's not the president. He's going to get away with everything now. He's going to pardon himself for all the crimes he's done. I personally just can't believe how stupid the Americans are voting for that POS. But what can I do? Not a thing. Just got to live with it. So anyway, that's all I've got to say on the subject. I won't be talking about it anymore. Very disappointed. This is Bandit Nev on Samoki, the Suzuki Bandit, on this lovely Wednesday evening. Bidding you all very, very, very safe riding. And until next time, cheers for now.